Hello friends, now we have start the main module of the system, and here we are going to start student attendance management module. In previous part, we have completed how teacher can edit his or her profile details, and update their details. Now we are going to start student attendance management module. For this we have go to attendance.php file, and here first we have write include statement with header.php file. It will take all property of header file into this attendance.php file. In this module, first we have start to load attendance data of student on web page. In Datatable, particular teacher can see attendance records of his or her grade only, other teacher attendance record he or she cannot view. Under this page, we have create one table with ID is equal to attendance table. We will use this ID value as selector load jQuery Datatable data. Under this table we have create 5 table column like student name, roll number, grade, attendance status and attendance date. First we want to load data into jQuery Datatable. For this we have go to jQuery code, and here we have write Datatable variable is equal to table ID attendance table with Datatable method. It will initialize jQuery Datatable plugin. Under this Datatable method, we have write processing option set to true. This feature control the processing indicator. Then after, we have write second option server side option set to true. This option will enable data tables in server side processing mode. Now we have write order option with blank array value. This will initial remove table order from table column. Now we want to load data from attendance table by using Ajax in data tables, so we have define Ajax option, and under this we have first write URL option set to attendance action.php. In second Ajax option, we have write type, and here we have write post, so here it will use post method for send data to server. In third Ajax option, we have write data. Here we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write action variable with fetch value. So, here our jQuery code is ready. Now we have go to attendance action.php file, and here first we have write include statement with database connection.php. It will make database connection. Below this we have write session start function. It will start session on this page. After this, we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with $post action variable. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write if statement with condition like $post action variable value is equal to fetch. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $query variable is equal to select star from attendance table, inner join student table, on student table. Student ID is equal to attendance table. Student ID. In query we have add inner join grade table, on grade table. Grade ID is equal to student table. Student grade ID. where attendance.teacherID is equal to $session teacher ID variable, and, so this is basic query for fetch particular teacher grade attendance data. After this we have write, if statement, and under condition we have write, is set function with $post search value variable. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write, $query variable, and under this we have append query like student table. Student name like $post search value variable. Below this, we have again write or student table. Student roll number like $post search value variable. After this, for search student attendance status, here we have write or attendance table. Attendance status column like $post search value variable. And lastly, for attendance date data, here we have write or attendance table. Attendance date like $post search value variable. Now we have write, if statement, and under condition we have write, is set function with $post order variable. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $query variable, and under this we have append query like, order by $post order variable with 0 index with column variable. And $post order variable with 0 index with directory variable. This block will execute if teacher wants sort table column data. But suppose above condition false, then it will execute else block of code, and here we have write $query variable, and under this we have append query like order by attendance table. Attendance ID in descending order. For data table pagination, here we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $post length variable value is not equal to -1. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have write $query variable, and in this we have append query like limit $post start variable, and $post length variable. Now we have write, $statement variable is equal to, $connect variable with prepare statement with $query variable, it will make query for execution. For execute query, we have write $statement variable with execute method. After this we have write, $result variable is equal to $statement variable with fetch all method. This method will return query execution result. For store data, here we have defined $data variable is equal to array. Below this we have write, $filtered rows variable is equal to, $statement variable with row count method. This method will return no of rows affected after above query execution. Now we have write for each loop, and under condition we have write $result variable as $row variable. By using this loop, it will fetch data from $result variable. Under this loop, we have write, $subarray variable is equal to array. Under this variable we will store data temporary. Here we have create on $status variable is equal to blank value. Under this variable we will store student attendance status. Below this, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write $row attendance status variable is equal to present. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $status variable is equal to label tag with class badge and badge success with present text. After this we have again write if statement, and under condition we have write $attendance status variable value is equal to absent. If this condition true, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block, we have write $status variable is equal to label class badge and badge danger class with text absent. First we want to store student name details. For this, here we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row student name variable. Same way for store student roll number data, here we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row student roll number variable. Now we want to store student grade data, so here we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row grade name variable. Below this, we have write $subarray variable is equal to $status variable. It will store student attendance data. Lastly, we want to store attendance date data, so here we have write $subarray variable is equal to $row attendance date variable. Now we have write $data variable is equal to subarray variable. It will store all $subarray variable data into $data variable. Below this, here we have write $output variable is equal to array, with first key draw value set to $post draw variable. In second key we have write records total value set to $filtered rows variable. In third key we have write records filtered. And it value get from get total records function with two argument like $connect variable and attendance table. And in last key we have write data with value get from $data variable. So, this way we have store data under $output variable. Now for send this data to Ajax request in JSON format, here we have write echo statement with JSON encode function with $output variable. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see different menu on web page, so we have click on attendance link. After click on attendance link on web page, we can see student attendance data on web page in Datatable. Here we can see different Datatable functionality like searching, pagination, sorting any more other. Now in next part we will see how to add new attendance data by teacher of his or her grade student. In this part, we have covered student attendance module. First feature like load attendance data in jQuery Datatable. In next part, we will discuss next feature like add or insert student attendance data. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.